What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Hypegeek, the show where we celebrate hype and me just geeking the heck out of things. My name is Colin, and today we have a very special quick unboxing for you guys. I have something from World Balance, and I'm super happy that I actually have this here with me because this one, it's something very special from the first time that I actually saw the photos being teased on the World Balance's Facebook page or Instagram pages. Now, before we actually go on with this, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. At least I'm really trying to make more videos for Hypegeek, trying to be a little bit more consistent here. So your support is going to mean so much for me. So please just hit that like button if you like this video, share this to your friends and family, and who knows, let's grow this channel together. Okay ba yun? Alright. Now, first of all, thank you so much to our friends from World Balance for sending this over. Sobrang kinikilig talaga ako na nakita ko to online. And thank you so much for sending this because it's such a great collab shoe from them. So this is, of course, the Secret Fresh World Balance collaboration. And this is their new Invictus colorway or Invictus line colorway. Now, more good, less evil. So if you remember, we actually unboxed something like that last year or medyo end of last year, but it wasn't an Invictus silhouette. It was a very different silhouette. It was from the Ice Sperm collection of Secret Fresh. So obviously, this isn't the first time that the Invictus silhouette was used by Secret Fresh. Their first was the B69, and then of course the B69 ketchup and mustard that we unboxed here. If you missed that, I'm going to put the link up here and down below so you can check that out. And this one is the more good, less evil as mentioned. Alright, so let's unbox this already. Again, box is very simple. It comes in the very staple black World Balance lifestyle box. There's lifestyle written here, and of course there's a small purple band all around it, and at one side you have all the information on the shoe. And I have mine on size 42 euro or size 9 US, which is my true to size on the World Balance sneakers. So popping it open, very plain tissue paper, and then bam, look how pretty this is. Look at that color, look at that color. Fairness. Boom. Man, I mean, they just keep surprising you with the types of color or the colorways that they have been producing. And the striking thing about this one is this statement already here that says more good, less evil, and kitang-kita siya with this very translucent lime yellow and green panel happening on the lateral and medial sides of both shoes. That is the very new and very obvious design choice that they made for the more good, less evil Invictus. World Balance has really been pushing their design and really been pushing their manufacturing, especially for the Secret Fresh collaboration. Ang ganda lang eh, parang everything seems to be more elevated. Now take the leather and the suede panels here, for example. I think they actually use sort of like a plush leather or leatherette material, and even the suede, the texture is a lot better than some of the suede panelings that they did on their previous shoes as well. The usage of a predominantly cream upper actually makes the shoe cleaner, and I appreciate that they went with cream and instead of going white, because the small touch or the slight touch of off-white actually makes all the colors more pronounced. Now, I'm not entirely sure with the other Secret Fresh Invictus line, but it feels that even the mesh stitching on this one is a little bit different. The pattern seems a little bit different because it gives us more texture. It feels that it's a little bit bigger, and again, it just adds a little bit more drama to the sneaker. Now, granted that you have this big, bold and black more good, less evil slogan printed on one side of the sneaker, I love the idea that you have this translucent yellow and green band just to blend everything together and just gives the shoe this dynamic color and dynamic feel to it. The mix of grays, cream, lime yellow or neon yellow, green, and purple actually gives this a super retro 90s sort of vibe. And as if these bands, the colorway, and the more good, less evil slogan isn't eye-catching enough, check out the laces. The laces are actually made out of reflective material. And even the highlighter yellow pull tab actually has this small 3M silver strip on it as well, just to add more flair to this sneaker. Ang ganda! And you know the great part about this is that it costs exactly the same as the other Secret Fresh Invictus line, which is 2,699. Again, less than 3,000 pesos. As far as fit and as far as comfort is concerned, I tried all the other Secret Fresh Invictus sneakers and they feel amazing on feet. My advice, regardless if you are wide foot or not, go true to size. It's going to fit your feet well. One of the great things with World Balance is their bounce pad insole, and this one has the World Balance and Secret Fresh logo printed on it, and the color is just this amazing teal color, which by the way is also the color of the lining inside of the tongue of your sneaker. Now going to the midsole, you have a combination of white, black, and purple EVA foam. And again, this is the reason why I appreciate that they use cream instead of white, because you can actually see the distinction between the midsole and the rest of your sneaker, or the upper. Now just to round the contrast and color harmony on the entire sneaker, some parts of the outsole are actually made out of this dull, sort of nude colored, semi-translucent gum sole outsole, and it's beautiful. Just the pattern is just amazing. Personally, what I love about the More Good Less Evil Secret Fresh World Balance collaboration is that the design is front and center. You can really see and you can feel that there's so much love on just creating good design for this. And of course, we really need to be reminded of the slogan of More Good Less Evil. We need it so much right now these days. Especially with all the toxicity that's coming around or going around, and probably is going to escalate in the coming months as well. I mean, may pandemic pa guys, FYI, and let's try to be a little bit nicer. Again, at the end of the day, we all can wish for more good and less evil in this world. And with that, guys, if you are interested in getting your hands on one, I do suggest to check out Secret Fresh or World Balance's website. Check their Lazada as well. This one drops on October 20. I'm not entirely sure if there's going to be a pre-order period, but again, just like with other Secret Fresh and World Balance collaboration, this is going to be super duper limited. So if I were you and you are feeling this sneaker, check the site out. Follow them on their socials so you would know about any drop mechanics happening in the next coming days. And with that, guys, this is a very quick unboxing, on feet, and first look at the Secret Fresh More Good Less Evil from World Balance. Let me know your thoughts on this sneaker in the comment section down below. And with that, my name is Colin and I will be seeing you on the next one, guys. Please keep safe, keep healthy. Bye-bye, Hype Peeps. Peace out.